Hey everybody, this is Ori from OneScales, and in today's video, I'll show you how to figure out and solve the issue with Shopify's file upload with the error exceeds maximum image resolution of 20 MP or 20 megapixels. Very simply, Shopify as a system has limitations on the files you can upload, the types of files, file size, and of course the actual resolution, which is this video. So what is 20 megapixels? What does that mean? So if you go and I want to upload this file, let's go click here on uploads, and I'm going to upload a file that's 4500 times 4500 size. You'll see the error itself. So what does that mean? 20 megapixels, if I open this right here, if I look at the size dimension, I'll see that the width times the height is more than 20 million in pixels. This is very important. Megapixels means millions of pixels. So 4500 times 4500, if I go here and I type this in, it's 20,250,000, which is above the allowed 20 million. So all I need to do is resize my image under that number, for example, 4400. And so 4400 times 4400 would be 17.6 million, so that's under. So if I do that and I resize that, I've already saved it in my prior. So let's go here, and I go here and I upload the 4400, it'll upload, no problem, everything's good. So very, very simply put, you need to have your total pixels, the width times the height, less than 20 million, and you'll do that. Other than that, you have some other limitations. For example, file size, 20 megabytes, the 20 megapixel we talked about, and other things like ratio and file formats. Videos have other types of limitations, but that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this or anything else that we talk about on this channel, please let us know. Write in the comments, subscribe, share, say hello. We're here to make a community, much appreciated. We're here to share information. We're here to connect with you guys and spread more information, make things better, save time, do better for you guys. Much appreciated.